Good day, sir. My name is Berilio Suarez.
Good day, sir. My name is Gios Binyas,
Good day, sir. My name is Charles Ayan Saposo.
and we are from East 4G.
Nam, namin sa atubangan sa kawan para i-discuss ang about sa hydrostatic table
Of ship.
of ship. Okay. A ship hydrostatic table is a crucial document in the stability booklet providing numerical values of vessel underwater volume, buoyancy, characteristics, and at virus drops. It's essential for determining displacement, trim, and stability. GM, KM for safe loading. Key data includes drop displacement, SW, FW, TPC, LCF, LCB, and BCB. Drop drop depth of the ship below the waterline, keel to surface. Displacement, FW, total weight of ship at the draft. SW is salt water and FW is fresh water. TPC, tons per centimeter immersion. Weight needed to increase the ship draft by 1 cm. LCF, longitudinal center of flotation, the point along the ship where it pivots when trimming. LCB, 1 cm. LCF, longitudinal center of flotation, the point along the ship where it pivots when trimming. LCB, the longitudinal position where the buoyant force acts.
Example of based on hydrostatic table. Drop forward 7 meters and drop up of 9.50 meters. Mean drop 7 plus 0.50 plus 2 equals 8.25 meters. From the hydrogen table, it means drop 8.25 meters. Example, displacement 18,600 total weight of the sheet of this drop. TPC 28 TC kilometer of 28 tons will change the mean drop by 1 cm. MTC equals 190 tm 190 ton meters will change the drop by 1 cm. LBC 0.4 m forward midship point where buoyancy acts. LCF 0.0 m art midship pivot point about which of the 7 trim.
Storage DPC, tons per centimeter immersion. This is the short example of DPC. A ship has DPC to 25 centimeter if 15 tons of cargo are loaded. A ship is dropped increases by 2 centimeter.
MTC moment of change trim by 1 cm. Unit TM. Example, if MTC 200 TM and trimming moment is 400 TM. Change in trim 400 divide 200 equals 2 cm. LCB longitudinal center of buoyancy. Unit, meters from midship. Example of LCB. If LCB equals 0.5 m forward of midship, the buoyant force act 0.5 m forward effective shape of stream. LCF, longitudinal center of flotation. Example, LCF equals 1.0 m arc of midship of the ship, trim about same point the weight is shifted.